How to sell products on TikTok Shop step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you're going to sell products on TikTok Shop in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have a fully signed up and accessible account on this platform that we call TikTok Shop Seller Central. So as you can see, I already have an account, but for you to get an account, you're going to come to shop.tiktok.com. Once you come to shop.tiktok.com, over here, you're going to click on get started. Okay. And obviously, we're wanting to sell products. We want to actually go ahead and sell products for ourselves. So in that case, what we are going to want to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead to this section over here, and to sell products we're going to want to become a seller. Now become one of these as well, but that doesn't really fulfill our purpose, to create this. So simply go into the I am a seller section over here, and once you go into the I am a seller section, come down here, click on learn more, and it takes you to the sign in process. So once you go into the sign in process, you have these three regions that you can sign in with. Choose the region that you want to go with, and once you've chosen the correct region, you're pretty much set to go. So from there, what's going to happen is you're going to come to this central over here once you've gone through the whole sign in and sign in process. It's a pretty long process, so make sure to go with it properly, verify everything. And once you've done that, from there, what's going to happen is we're simply going to go ahead to this section where it says welcome to the site. You're going to click on start selling. So as you click on start selling, it brings you to this section over here where it's obviously going to ask you to add things for yourself. You can actually change the region that you are selling in. You don't necessarily need to sell in a region like Singapore or anything like that. Just go with a region that you actually live in. So let's say I'm gonna go with, you have Melbourne, Sydney, all these other regions. You have Brisbane. So in this case, I am gonna go with some American region. Let's go with Chicago, or yeah, let's go with Detroit. So once you do that, simply click on reload. That's how you're gonna change the zone for selling. Where you want to sell, you're simply gonna change it through that. And once you do that, here you're gonna make sure to enter all your information. So I'm gonna enter my shop name real quick. You have occupations, select the category. Now, once you do that, also make sure to choose the correct option from business type. So you have individual and then you have corporate. So individual is if you are an individual person offering goods for sale on TikTok Shop that does not have a business entity. You can go with this, or you can go with corporate. When onboarding as a company, you're going to select that because the company will need to provide a business license for themselves. So I'm just going to go with individual right now and scroll down. Now you have the types of identification that you're going to need to enter. So this is in the Singaporean case, you have NRIC and NRIC citizen. So NRIC is basically the national identity number for Singapore. So you are gonna make sure to go ahead and enter this for yourself, as easily as you want to. So once you've got it and added the pictures to verify yourself, you have additional contact information over here. So additional contact information, it says, will be used as a backup contact method. It cannot be used to log in. TikTok works hard to protect your data privacy, etc., etc. So just go ahead and add the necessary details. You have your email address, add all that, agree to everything, and click on submit. Then it takes you into the whole verification process where it verifies if you're, a trustworthy person with trustworthy details about your account. And once it's good with your details, once it, deems you an actual worthy person for the TikTok shop, yeah, you're going to be set to go from there basically. So, yeah, from there, what you're going to want to do is you're simply going to go ahead into the main seller central. And in the main seller central, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm going to come to TikTok shop seller sell. Okay, I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you what the main portal actually looks like. So this is your creative dashboard on the creator tools. And to sell an actual product, you're going to go to the creator tools, and in the creator tools section, you're going to sell any type of product that you want to go with. And here in the main dashboard section, you can open a lot of products for yourself. Go into the main data compass, and in your data compass, you're simply going to go into your account and go into your seller profile. And in your seller profile, you're simply gonna add all the main details for your profile that you want to. And once you've added all the details, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's the basic general idea of how you're gonna be going into the main seller essential, add all the necessary details for yourself, and sell an actual product. So that's the general idea of it all. Now, obviously, if I were to give you a brief overview of all of it again, so basically what you're going to want to do is first of all, you're going to come over to your TikTok shop portal, okay? And once you're in your TikTok shop portal over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to your TikTok shop seller central, okay? By going into the learn more section over here, go to your seller central, and in your seller central, what's going to happen from there is just add all the necessary details that you want to enable yourself to work with the main workings of the shop preferences. Choose the country, and once you've chosen the country and all, you have the seller essential, and in the seller essential, you're simply going to go over to the data compass. From the data compass, go to the seller's dashboard and the seller's access place. And once you go over there, yeah, pretty much you're going to add all the necessary details for your accounts. And once the necessary details are added, you are going to start selling the products in the easiest way into your seller essential. So yeah, that's the main idea of how you're going to work with all of this. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.